Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Logistify tutorial series. Today, we will show you how to create a payment link using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, click on the Finance option at the top of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Payment Summary. Next, click on the Create Payment Link option. You'll be directed to the creation options where you can choose to create manually or create by job. Let's start with Create Manually. Enter the necessary details like account type and job number. Once you enter the job number, other details such as email, customer name, and VAT will automatically populate. Next, add any remarks and enter the card charge amount. Once done, click Generate Payment Link. You'll see an email preview where you can customize the text if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Send. The payment link will be sent to the user and will appear in the payment summary. You can search for it using specific dates. Now, let's look at the second option, Create by Job. This option is even simpler. Just enter the job number and click Generate Payment Link. A link will be created along with a message. Click Send to send it to the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.